Hey guys, welcome to Proto point. Okay, so in this tutorial, let's learn about cascade operator in Dart. Okay, so let's begin. So here I am making use of an online tool that is dartpad.dev, where I can enter my code and run it in this tutorial. Okay, so let's begin. Okay, so first of all, let me create a class where I can enter a person, age and name. So here I have created a class by name person. So it has two parameters, name and age of a person, and it also has a function that simply prints the value that is inside this variables. Okay, so before understanding cascaded, let's understand the normal way of creating an object and passing data into these objects to this class by using objects and calling print function. Okay. So without using cascade operator, so here first of all I need to create a object. So for that, let's make use of class person p1 person. So here I have created an object by name p1. So now by making use of object, I can initialize the name. So name is equal to, so let me enter my name. So p1 dot age is equal to 26, let's say. So p1 dot print detail. Okay, so this is how we are going to create an object and initialize the variables of this class. Okay, so this is without using cascaded operator. So let's run it. So you can see over here the message got printed after passing this, initializing this variables. Okay, so as you can see over here, to perform simple operation like passing data to a class by using object, I am writing 4 lines of code. So the same thing I can do with cascaded operator in a single line of code. So let's do that. So with cascaded operator, so here I have initialized an object by making use of this person class. Okay, so the same thing I'm going to use over here. So p1, so to use cascaded, we must make use of double dot, and you can just pass the data to this variables by making use of it. Double dot name is equal to, so let me pass my surname. Okay, and again double dot, let me pass a age as 26. And so this is how we can make use of cascaded to do these operations in a single line of code. Okay, so now let's call the function after passing these two variables. So we can do it by cascaded operator double dot print details. Okay, so before running the code, let me comment this part because I don't need that. Okay, so let me add this name. Okay, so I'm running the code now, so you can wait. So you can see this is how we can make use of cascaded operator in Dart. Okay, so here I have made use of an object to initialize and perform this action. So without using object, you can do it. So just here what you can do is you can just make use of class name and run this function. Okay, so you can just perform this will work same as before. Now you can see, so let me add some more data. So let me add some dashes. So you can see without using a object, you can also perform a cascaded operator in Dart. Okay, so that's all for this video tutorial. Hope you got the concept of how to use cascaded operator in Dart. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe Proto point. Thank you.